guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel and today we're going to be making jam. So this is not a tutorial video. It's just me making jam, but I can also tell you what to do. So since we're quarantined, well, we have to do this step anyways. We're going to wash the blueberries. So now we're just going to do this with your hands and wash it. Remember to wash your hands before this. Okay, after the blueberries are washed, we do it again. And then just okay, so now we're going to use some hot water, I think, and pour it onto the blueberries to take out the wax. Okay, not enough. Okay. Mommy. Okay, my mom helped me with this step. So we wash this. We wash this with hot water so that to get the wax out. And look how it's gone all black. That's when you know when you're doing it right. Now what you're gonna do is after you take out all the water, you find the blueberries that are like broken or something like this. So, yes. So you're gonna do that. So you're gonna find them. Look at this. So I sorted that out here, but I want to leave some for my family to eat. So yes, I'm gonna leave some for my family because I don't want to use them all for jam. This is gonna be blueberry jam. You can use this for strawberries as well, I think. Yay! I'm now gonna get adult supervision to cook. Yeah, make sure to have adult supervision. Okay, so now I put the blueberries and I put it into a pot and I added some water, cooked water. And now I'm going to add a little bit of sugar for some sweetness in the jam. Just add a little bit. Okay. Now, I'm going to turn on the fire. Let me just go and get some chopsticks. So, I want a spatula. It's a spatula. Sorry. I'm going to use this. Okay, now I'm going to turn on the fire. Okay, I'm going to get a little bit lower. Now I'm going to mix the blueberries. This will take a really long time, so you need to be patient. So now, look at this pot. Look inside. It kind of looks like jam because I stored it a long time. You can also mush it. So this is advice. And when you mush it, it will be faster. And then, sorry about the mess, but you might get a little messy. So when you see that it's starting to, that the color turns purple, then you still need to mix it a little bit more because there's some blueberry pieces it's still in there. And look at these pieces. You can see them. They look like raisins or something. Now, that means you're getting really close to the texture that you want. So, once it gets a little bit more harder, you can, that means it's ready. So like it gets a little bit like slime, but it's not. It's jam. So, when I'll give you back an update for later. And when the jam is done. So now this jam is I think it's done. So look at this texture. It feels like gloopy, just like jam. Well, the blueberries are not fully dissolved, but this is what you see in regular jam jars. So I think this jam is complete, and all we need to do now is cool it down in the fridge. Now it's cooled down. The jam is cooled down. So I put it in a jar, and it just, yeah, I didn't put it in the refrigerator yet, but here's an idea for you to try when you finish making the jam. You can put it in yogurt, like plain yogurt, to make it have more taste. I added more sugar in, so it's just, so there's a tip. Okay, so some important tips for you guys. The first one is you need parental guidance. That means you need an adult with you when you're cooking the jam, and you can. And another tip is you need to add more sugar because, well, yeah, my parents suggested this. Okay, so we're gonna add some. We need to add more sugar so that, yes, I don't know why this turned into a tutorial video, but I'm gonna give you a short video of me eating. Yeah, I also added more blueberries, yeah. You can add those on bread too. It's very good. Here's my refrigerator. I might put it here, or I might put it here. Does it look like jam? Yes, it does. I didn't know. I'm just gonna put it there overnight. I will post a part 2 of this video because I just want to post this video today, and then on Tuesday I'll post the ending look. It'll be really short, I promise. Thanks for watching.